Install Chrome OS on PC with Play Store support to 0 to 5. Before we start our tutorial, let's get the requirements and downloads out of the way. Once you meet all the requirements and download the relevant files, the setup will go smoothly. You can click on the links below to move between different menus. Requirements for installing Chrome OS on Windows PC. Install Chrome OS on Windows. Required downloads. 1. First off, download the Linux Mint Cinnamon image. You can also use other Linux distros such as Ubuntu or Debian, but since Linux Mint is pretty lightweight, I'm using it in this tutorial. Find the link in the description below. 2. Next, download Rufus so that we can flash Linux Mint Cinnamon on the USB drive. Again, the link is in the description. 3. After that, download the official Chrome OS recovery image. Here, I am recommending Ramis because it works on modern Intel processors. However, you should follow the below rule and download the specific image based on your processor. Ramis is the recommended image for devices with 4th generation Intel CPU and newer. Samus is the recommended image for devices with 3rd generation Intel CPU and older. Zork is the image to use for AMD Ryzen 3X. Grunt is the image to use for AMD Stony Ridge. 4. Now, download the most important file, Brunch. It's a framework built by a developer named Sabank, so huge thanks to him for making this project possible. The framework creates a generic Chrome OS image from the official recovery image so it can be installed on any Windows PC. Go to the given link and download the tar.gz file. 5. Finally, download the install script which magically installs Chrome OS without manually typing the commands. Download the link in the description below. Now that we are done with the downloads, let's jump to the steps, shall we? Install Chrome OS on PC with Play Store support. Before moving to installation steps, I want to give a quick rundown as to how we will install Chrome OS on PC with Play Store support. First off, we will boot Linux Mint through the USB drive on our Windows computer, and from there, we can run the script and install Chrome OS on our PC. Keep in mind, this process will completely wipe your hard drive including personal files and folders, so create a backup before you proceed. With that out of the way, let's move to the steps. Flash and manage files. 1. Connect your USB flash drive and open Rufus. Next, click on the select button and choose the Linux Mint Cinnamon image. Now, just click on Start. You will get a few prompts, so click on Yes and OK to continue the flashing process. 2. After Rufus is done with flashing, close it. Now, create a folder named Chrome OS on your desktop. Move the install file to the Chrome OS folder. 3. Next, right-click on the Brunch file and choose Extract to Brunch. All the files will be extracted in a folder on the desktop. 4. Now, move all the extracted Brunch files to the same Chrome OS folder on the desktop. 5. Similarly, extract the official Chrome OS recovery image and you will get a folder on the desktop. Open it and rename the file to ramus_recovery.bin. If you have downloaded another image, then rename it accordingly. For example, if you have downloaded the Samus image, then rename it to samus_recovery.bin. 6. Finally, move the ramus_recovery.bin file to the Chrome OS folder. By the end, you should have these 6 files inside the Chrome OS folder. 7. Now, move the whole Chrome OS folder to the USB drive on which you just flashed Linux Mint Cinnamon. Boot into Linux Mint Cinnamon. 1. Plug the USB flash drive into the PC on which you want to install Chrome OS. If you are installing Chrome OS on the same PC, then keep it plugged in point 2. Next, restart your PC and press the boot key continuously to boot into the UEFI BIOS menu. If you don't know the boot key of your PC, then you can find it from the below table. 3. Once you have entered the BIOS, move to the Boot tab and select UEFI from the boot list option. If this option is not available, then don't worry, move to the next step. 4. After that, move to the Security tab and disable Secure Boot. Keep in mind, every BIOS has its own interface, so the menu placement might differ from one PC to another. Nevertheless, look for UEFI and Secure Boot under Security, Boot, or System Configuration tabs and make the changes accordingly. Keep in mind, disabling Secure Boot is mandatory. 5. Finally, move to the Exit tab and choose Exit Save Changes. Immediately after that, start pressing the boot key again. You will be asked to choose your boot device. Select the USB drive and hit Enter. 6. You will boot straight into Linux Mint Cinnamon. If you are prompted with a splash screen, choose the default option, Start Linux Mint. Install Chrome OS on PC. 1. Now that you have booted into Linux Mint, click on the network icon at the bottom right corner and connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The Chrome OS installer will need an active internet connection to download some missing libraries and dependencies. 2. After that, open the home folder on the desktop and move to the File System tab. 3. Here, Click on the search button and type Chrome OS to find the folder that we moved earlier. 4. Now, open the folder and right-click inside the folder to open the terminal. Here, type sudo install docs and hit enter. It will start downloading some libraries and dependencies. 5. After a while, it will ask if you want to continue with the installation. Keep in mind, this will completely wipe your whole hard drive. To proceed with the installation, type yes and hit enter. It will now start installing Chrome OS on your PC. 6. After the installation is done, open the Start menu of Linux Mint located at the bottom left corner and click on the Turn Off button. Here, choose Shutdown to turn off your PC. 7. Now, remove the USB flash drive and then turn on your Windows PC. This time, your PC will boot straight into full-fledged Chrome OS. In case Chrome OS is not installed on your PC hard disk, it has, in fact, installed on the USB drive, then follow our troubleshooting guide below. 8. Now, you can run Android apps straight from the Play Store on your PC. How awesome is that? Not to mention, the Android framework is based on Android 9, so you are quite updated too.